What's going on, y'all? JT with a quick RC update. So Arrma has just announced the KRATON EXB 5th scale roller. Yes, 5th scale roller. So I'll put a link in the description. They did put out a teaser video, and throughout the day more videos and more information is going to come out as well. And I will put a link down in the description as well where you guys can pre-order this monster beast here. So this truck is going to go for $699 for this particular roller truck, and I'll put a link down below also to Horizon where you can go ahead and pre-order this as well. You can probably get it from Tower Hobbies and A-Main as well, but you guys can see there the size comparisons between the 8th scale and then of course the 5th scale. So this is this big brother here. I did read that somewhere it had a 5mm chassis. I can't remember if the other one had a 4mm or not, but it does have a slew of particular upgrades on here. So like I said, I'll put a link down in the description below so you guys can see that. It's got steel turnbuckles on it, and these debut tires are version 2 of it. And I did see somewhere where these tires are actually bigger than what comes on the current V1 and V2 KRATON 5th scales as well. It's got like I said, a slew of particular upgrades on this, and you guys will see something come up here that talks about some of the things that come in the box with it as well, which I was very curious about. Something I did see some information somebody kind of leaked out there about this the motor series of 49 and 56 series plates, and from what I saw, you get actually 2 motor plates in the actual box. That's probably going to allow you to mount different size motors and stuff in there. But as I find out more information a little bit later on, I'll let you guys know about this. But like I said, they announced this today. You can go ahead and pre-order. There'll be links down below. Put your comments down below and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.